Okie dokie. Hello, Internet and the rest of the world. Let's walk around Ralph again. We're at beautiful downtown Ropesville, Texas today. Come through here quite a bit, going back and forth towards Lubbock. Once in a while, I'll stop for gas and a cup of coffee or something like that. I just thought we'd take a look around. Biggest industry here is farming and commodities. So here we are. We're getting a little wider view of the sign. I got Heathcliff out there doing my camera duties today. Come here, Heathcliff. Good guy. Okie dokie. We're going to get a little broader view of the entry to Ropesville. We're here at the town limit sign. Got Heathcliff out there doing my camera duties for me. He's been doing a pretty good job. Come on back in here, Heathcliff. Let's get down the road a little bit and get a better view. Okie dokie, here we are in beautiful downtown Ropesville, Texas, in front of the Ropesville United Methodist Church. Stopped here because I saw a wonderful little bell tower they got over there. I also noticed they had a small Veterans Memorial out front, which I really respect. I'm not a Methodist, but I enjoy places that do things like that. I got Heathcliff doing my camera duties today. Come here, Heathcliff, let's get a little look at other stuff here. Now, I appreciate it that this little Methodist church took the time and opportunity to honor the veterans they have who served and put this little Veterans Memorial here. I love places that take the time to do this. We're going to go down the road here, or down the walkway here, and take a peek at their bell tower. Come back here, Heathcliff. I'm going to get Heathcliff to do a little bit broader view of the church overall. Beautiful job on this little church. I love architecture like this. Heathcliff is fighting a little bit of wind, but he's doing a wonderful job. Come on in here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie. This bell tower was done in memory of Kenneth Chambers by Jewel and Kirby Shannon. Did a great job on it. That's what caused me to stop here at this United Methodist Church. Heathcliff is doing me a good job here. Okie dokie, here at Ropesville, Texas, in front of the United Methodist Church, in front of their bell tower. Got Heathcliff doing a broad view. This bell tower was done in memory of Kenneth Chambers by Jewel and Kirby Shannon. So it's a very beautiful. Okie dokie, we stopped here in beautiful downtown Ropesville, Texas at an actual Yes Way. Fuel here is about 30 cents cheaper than it was in Lubbock. It's only $2.94. In Lubbock, it was more than that. This little Yes Way has been here for a few years. They increased the size of it and made it a lot nicer. This is where I stop for fuel whenever I need it, and sometimes I'll wait till I get here because the fuel's a little bit cheaper here sometimes. You can see part of our local economy and business right across the street over here. We've got a commodities barn, and that seems to be the major plug of the economy is farming and the commodities that they produce. So this is Walk Around Ralph. We'll appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch y'all later. Bye-bye. Come here, Heathcliff.